Hi, to find Wi-Fi password on your Redmi Note 14, you need to open Settings first, and here choose Wi-Fi tab. Now you can tap on your current network to which you are connected, just like that, and you should see this QR code. By the way, you should tap right here, but if you tap on arrow, you would see network details. So make sure you are tapping just on this section itself. So now what we are gonna do is we need to screenshot this QR code. For that, use combination of power and volume down buttons. And now screenshot is taken. Let's tap done. And what we are gonna do next is we need to find control center by swiping down from the upper right corner. And here find this icon, which is scanner. Let me tap on edit so you can see its name. As you can see, this one is scanner. So we need to tap it to open scanner and agree with some permissions like that. And now we need to tap this icon, which stands for gallery. And from gallery, choose your QR code. After that, crop it like this. And now just tap OK button. And after that, you should see your network name, password, and encryption. So to actually see your password, just tap it, and it would be immediately shown. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye-bye.